Have you ever wondered why AI gives you one answer when your brain can imagine 10? Or why sometimes ChatGPT nails a problem instantly and other times gets stuck like it forgot how to think? What if AI could reason more like you do, exploring possibilities, testing ideas, following multiple thought paths, and then choosing the best one? Welcome to Clythera Vox. Today, we're unlocking one of the most powerful concepts in modern prompting, tree of thoughts, the method that turns an AI from a sentence generator into a problem-solving machine. By the end of this video, you'll know what TOT really is, how it works behind the scenes, when to use it, practical prompts you can start using today, and why it's becoming a key skill for creators, students, and professionals. Let's dive into the mind of an AI and teach it how to think better. What is tree of thoughts? Imagine standing at a crossroads. One path leads forward, another leads sideways, another loops back. Your brain naturally previews several paths before picking one. This branching exploration is exactly what TOT does for an AI. Simplified. Traditional prompting. AI gives one answer, linear. Chain of thought. AI shows its reasoning, but still in one line. Tree of thought. The AI explores multiple lines of reasoning in parallel. Think of it like idea generation, branching, filtering, pruning, decision, best path forward. It's how humans solve problems naturally, but now we teach AI to do it too. Why TOT matters. Most real-world problems aren't linear. Planning a project, debugging code, designing a business strategy, solving a riddle, writing a story. You don't want one idea. You want multiple ideas, evaluated, improved, and merged. TOT unlocks creativity, logic, better accuracy, more nuanced solutions. In other words, TOT turns average AI answers into high-quality decisions. How TOT works: technical but simple. Core components. States, partial ideas or steps. Thoughts, expansions of each state. Branches, possible pathways. Scoring, evaluating each branch. Pruning, removing bad branches. Selection, choosing the best path. Two main strategies. BFS, breadth first search. Explore multiple ideas broadly before selecting. Think, let me list lots of possibilities first. DFS, depth first search. Follow one idea deeper before switching. Think, let me explore this idea thoroughly. Simple AI example. Task, solve a tricky puzzle. Instead of giving one guess, TOT generates thought path A, thought path B, thought path C. It then scores each one and chooses the most logical or most creative. AI is no longer guessing, it's evaluating. Practical example 1, creative writing. Prompt. Use tree of thought reasoning to brainstorm 3 plot paths for a sci-fi short story. Explore each for a few steps, score their originality, and choose the best one. How TOT will think. Branch 1, time travel. Consequence A, consequence B. Branch 2, AI-driven evolution. Plot twist A, plot twist B. Branch 3, space anomaly, mystery building, emotional hook. Then it evaluates originality, emotional depth, world-building potential. Finally, Path 2 is selected because it is the most novel and emotionally rich. Result: a story outline better than any single path prompt. Practical example 2, solving logic problems. Task: you have 3 keys and 3 locks. Each key opens exactly 1 lock. Traditional prompting: AI guesses. TOT prompting: creates a tree of possible combinations, eliminates impossible states, scores remaining paths, picks the correct match logically. TOT helps avoid hallucinations and errors. Practical example 3, coding and debugging. Prompt with TOT. Find 3 possible causes for this bug. Explore each with 2 debugging steps. Evaluate which cause is most likely and propose a fix. The AI will: Branch 1, variable scope. Branch 2, incorrect API call. Branch 3, race condition. Then, investigate each. Score likelihood. Identify the best fix. This mimics how senior engineers debug. When not to use TOT. TOT is powerful, but not for everything. Avoid when you need very fast responses. The task is simple, like write a tweet. You want a single, straight answer. TOT shines when the problem has complexity. You want creativity. You want multiple ideas compared. Practical TOT prompt template. Use tree of thought reasoning. Generate 3 to 4 solution paths. Expand each for 3 steps. Score them using clear criteria. Choose the best path and explain why. Works for planning, creation, learning, business, coding, research. Tree of thought prompting transforms how you use AI. It makes your ideas richer, your strategies smarter, and your decisions more grounded. As AI tools get more powerful, the people who understand how to guide them will stand out. And now, you're one of them. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and join us next week for another deep dive into the world of AI.